Hi, so today I will show you how to use Voki. You just go to Voki.com. You click on try it, it's free. You get a character and you can just revise it and change it. Colors. Change your character. For example, this one or this one. Or maybe this one. This one looks friendly. Change clothes here. And you get different ways that this character can be. Either without or with hair, without hair. A hat. Perhaps there are different ways for the hats to be. This one, or maybe this one. Or without a hat. Sunglasses. Then you get the options. You can have these glasses or these glasses. Students can design their avatar. Eyes. You can change the color of the eyes. You can make them yellow, or whatever you want. The hands, the skin, the hair, color of the head. Whatever is not available for the character, then you just can't change it, and you won't see that option. It will be in gray if there's no way to change it. So here you change the character. Another thing that you could do is this one. Use the dice and get something completely different. Those with the stars cost money, so we don't want to we want to say that to the students to use only those who don't have a star next to them. For instance, this one. Those without the stars. And then you can see what you can change about it. And choose all sorts of things for your character. So let's say I like this one and I want to change this one. See all kinds of characters that you can choose. Let's say this one. When you get a new character, you can always see what you can change about it right here. If you click on the clothes, you can see that you can change the hair, for example. You can have this hair, or this one, or this one, or this one. That's it. Now we're ready to record the voice. Students can click here on the voice, on the speaker, and start recording. So they have the option of text to speech. They have the option of recording. And so what we want to do is we want to use the recording because we want to encourage our students to speak, and then we click here. Hello, my name is Daniela, and I want to tell you about myself. I live in the USA, in Texas, and I like riding horses. Stop. Once you click stop, you can basically listen to it. My name is Daniela, and I want to tell you about myself. I live in the USA, in Texas, and I like riding horses. Okay, so once you record that, the avatar is going to say what you recorded. If you click here, you can see different options and play around with the options.
Daniela, and I want to tell you about myself. I live in the USA, in Texas, and I like riding horses.
Okay, so students can listen to their voices. You can probably try this. This one is funny. This sound effect or voice effect.
Hello, my name is Daniela, and I want to tell you about myself. I live in the USA, in Texas, and I like riding horses.
Okay, so once you're done, students like it, they can click save. They can make a name for it. Let's say Daniela. Save. Then they get this message. Make sure that when they ask them to sign up, they don't have to sign up or log in. They could just click here. No thanks. Continue as guest. And once you have that, they can send you a link to their Voki or send it to the school website or anything else by clicking here, copy URL, and copy this link. So basically you can have it and you can show it. So if I go to a different browser and I paste the link, I can see my character speak. And I can press play and listen.
Hello, my name is Daniela, and I want to tell you about myself. I live in the USA, in Texas, and I like riding horses.
That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Good luck!